All right, so we went and took this connecting pipe that goes to our catalytic converter. Now, you see all this? As you can tell, we definitely had it leaking. It wasn't tight. You can tell this flange. Look at this piece of shit flange that I threw on. We're definitely going to throw this new flat on. We're going to tighten it all up. You can tell it was definitely leaking, right? And close this up so we can get a nice sealed setup. And this should probably take care of our leak, right? For our smog. And then we'll do a seafoam. And then also when we push this back into the other pipe, you can see where the line is. We need to clamp it. I didn't clamp that either. So it's all about securing here. And this is what we are going to do today before my buddy gets here. And we have a seafoam party at my buddy's warehouse. That is the plan for today. What are you guys doing?